Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to clean up the car that hasn't been washed for a while. So look, it's a lot of stain on the seat. So today we are going to use product to clean it. You can find this at Walmart. It costs about $6 or something, but it's very good. I recommend it. First thing you need to do is just spray on the surface and wait for about 30 minutes. And then come back and clean it up with a brush. Scrub it nice and hard and just use a towel to clean it up after. I don't know if I'm doing it right because I just spray all over the seat that has the stain. So that's how I do it. I don't know if it's too much or not because I just worry like to get all the stain out of the seat, that's all.
How is gonna affect your heart?
And just keep brushing it until all the stain are gone. And use the cloth to wipe it dry.
Look.
As you can see, now it's nice and clean, but it's still wet, so we're gonna leave it overnight. Alright, this side of the seat is done. So now I'm going to move on to the other side of the seat. So just the same thing that I'm going to do as before is I spray it on the surface and wait until like 30 seconds for the foam to work on the surface and then come back and brush it. But you need to put a little bit power when you brush it so it can clean up your seat better. And then after that, just use the cloth to like wipe it out to make it dry. And then I'm gonna let it overnight and then I'm gonna show you tomorrow for the result when it's all dry and everything, and come back and see it. Alright, I'm coming back. So this is the result for cleaning up the car from yesterday. So look, it's pretty clean, right? I mean, it's not 100% clean, but it's obviously nice. Good job.